Hello children, we'll continue our chapter 16 climate. Till now we have done about seasonal changes, variation in the climates of India, factors affecting the climate. Now we'll see the seasons of India. Now weather in our country remains almost the same for every 2 months. These 2 months duration is called season. As per tradition, there are 6 seasons in India. Now if you see this picture 16.2, you will be able to know that how the cycle goes. Basically winter, summer, monsoon, then they are divided into 6, then 12 months in Hindi and 12 months of English, and also like cold season, retreating season, rainy season and hot season. So you have to draw this picture in your notebook. Hemant, Shishir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha and Sarad. There is hardly any noticeable difference in the weather between 2 successive seasons. So if you see these 2 seasons are taken simultaneously, then there would be only 3 seasons of the year. That is why it is being considered as cold season, hot season and rainy season. Changes in seasons are experienced distinctly in India. Cold weather starts with the beginning of winter. Temperature gradually increases during summer. With the onset of monsoon, air gathers moisture and brings rain. So the Indian Meteorological Department of Government of India at Delhi has divided the climate into 4. Okay, in this as per tradition method we have 6, but Meteorological Department of Government of India at Delhi has divided into 4. That is winter, December, January, Feb. Summer is March to May, rainy season from June to September, and retreating season, monsoon season is October to November. So this is your 1.3 answer. You have to go through this picture. You have to draw this in your notebook. Now we'll go to the next point, that is on page 124, cold weather, December to February. In India, 3 months duration from December to February is considered as winter. Sun shines vertically over the southern hemisphere between 22nd September to 21st March. India is situated in the northern hemisphere. This already I told you. So it is under the influence of slant sun rays between December to February. And that is why we have low temperature. Wind which is blowing from northeast direction from Central Asia. These winds are dry and cold, so the weather also remains dry and cold. The sky during this season generally remains clear without clouds. Northeast India remains comparatively cooler as it is far away from the sea and some part of it is desert. If you observe the upper part of our country, that is northeast area, some areas are desert and they are away from the sea. So it is very cool there. During winter, this region develops high pressure and deflects the winds. Dry and cool winds are generated due to the high pressure. These winds reduces the temperature of the places over which they blow. In Delhi, temperature often goes below 10 degree. At present, it is 4.1 degrees Celsius during winter, and it remains around 16 degree in Allahabad and 18 in Kolkata. At this time, the temperature in Himalayas is much less. The January temperature of Shimla, Darjeeling is around 5 degree. After the snowfall in Himalayas, the cold and heavy wind rushes towards the North Indian plains. As a result, this plain along with Gujarat and Rajasthan are under the grip of cold wave. So the waves which are coming from that side is affecting our place Gujarat and Rajasthan also. Temperature decreases suddenly. Frost in some area distracts a cotton crop. Temperature does not fall below freezing point during winter except for the high mountainous region. We are not getting freezing point here, only in the hilly areas or the mountainous region, because the central Himalayas obstruct the extremely cold winds coming from Central Asia and protect it from the severe cold. Here if you see, ध्यान से देखो 3.3 आंसर है फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ एंड सेकेंड पैराग्राफ till 5 degree, and 1.1 answer is after the snowfall till severe cold. Then continue this 3.3 answer and I'll continue the point. Conditions in South India. Now we have talked about the north. Now conditions in South India during winter are different from that of north. South India is situated in torrid zone. near the equator and has a peninsular shape, three sides covered with water. Its inner area is not very far from sea coast, so this area does not feel severe cold as the northern India is having winter during that time. There is no snowfall. Temperature also does not go down very low. Temperature at Kochi during January is around 26, Madurai 25, Chennai 24. But the mountainous area in South India also feels low temperature. Temperature decreases towards north. In India, winter is considered to be very pleasant and healthy season. Due to longer and cooler nights, dew and fog are common in early morning. Day is shorter, night is longer. In winter, dry winds coming from over landmass generally do not bring rain, but northeast winds coming out from Bay of Bengal contains humidity. These winds give more rainfall over the Coromandel coast. Northeast gets some rainfall due to the western disturbance and thunderstorms. This rain is very useful for the Rabi crop in Punjab and Haryana. These winds give rain in Gujarat occasionally. This unseasonal rain in Gujarat is locally called Mavthu. Now, page 125. Warm weather season, summer. Next, immediately after winter, we will get which season? Hot, that is summer. In India, the warm and dry season between March to May is called summer. During this period, the sun rays fall vertically from south to north gradually and the landmass becomes warmer. Temperature increases continuously. The month of March is hottest month in southern India. Temperature exceeds 40 degree at many places. Central India and Northeast India experiences maximum temperature during April and May. At some places, the temperature reaches around 45 degrees Celsius to 50. Thus, entire nation experiences very high temperature during summer. Due to the altitude of peninsular and the plateau, the summer in South India is little mild because it is a plateau and it is a peninsula. Compared to North India, the temperature here remains low. While the temperature in Delhi and Allahabad is 34 degree, it is 30 at Madurai, 27 at Bangalore. Thus, physical features and sea seem to have dominating effects on the temperature in south. Now, during this season, tropical cyclones developed over Bay of Bengal and over Arabian Sea. They advance towards coastal area and cause devastating effects over coastal regions. Most of the country experience hot and dry weather during summer, and most of the places do not receive any rain during this season. So during this season, some cyclones are moving from Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. They are advancing towards the coastal area, and it affects badly in the coastal region. And then most of the country experience hot and dry. Of course, during this season, that is summer, of course the weather will be hot and dry. Most of the places do not receive any rain in this season, but sometimes Malabar coast gets some rain which helps the mango crop. So because it is helping the mango crop, so it is called Amra Rusti. This is useful to mango and the coffee crop. Now we will be continuing our next part in the next lesson part in our next session. By that time you have to read the lesson. Please mark the answers, read the lesson. If you have difficulty, you can ask and write down the answers in your notebook. Thank you.